In this video, I'll guide you through the quick steps to self-RICA a SIM. You don't always need your ID or proof of address to start the RICA process. Our system usually verifies you automatically. Only if we can't verify your details will we ask for these documents. So, go ahead even if you don't have them handy. Open WhatsApp on your phone and send the word RICA to 063 901 0001. You'll promptly receive automated steps to guide you through the RICA process. Simply follow the instructions provided. Encounter any challenges or have questions? Reach out by messaging our customer care line on WhatsApp at 063 901 0000. We're here to help. That's it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to self-RICA your SIM with ease. Stay tuned for more lessons and insights.